chaba chaba. Agaghị m aba n'ụlọ onye kpọrọ masị.
Where is your son?
Nani, ụtụtụ ọma, good morning.
I'm not here for your greetings.
Osebegodi.
I ask again, where is your son?
Nani, my son is not back yet.
Hey! So the porcupine has forgotten that its body is full of thorns, so as to tread carefully for people not to march on it and get hurt. Has your son forgotten the burden he's carrying as the SAG of Obunike? So as to tread carefully.
Hey, Nani, Biko, my son will come back.
When will he come back? Is it when the lizard develops pubic hair? Is that when he will come back?
Hey, God forbid!
Is that when he will come?
Then
let him make haste while the sun shines. He is the SAG of Obunike, and he has to perform the sacred tradition before we eat the new yam. Let him come back, oh.
Nani, okay? Nani. Oh! Can you know this baby fan? No one know this boy. Eh? You have refused to come back, Okuya. What is all this? Eh? Why don't you just come back and perform the rites? You know, eh? What do you want me to do? You must come back, oh. And come and perform this thing, oh. Give you chokame. And now calling me up and down, talking to me anyhow because of you. You have to come back, oh. Tension the high. On the high, yo. Magic is simple na simia. Oh, Chendana, but on our body, what I give it an about. Your way for
Did you see him?
He has not returned.
Yeah. Oh. Somebody should go and fetch him now. Somebody should just go and fetch him before all of us dies of hunger in this village.
Will you shut that pit latrine you call out? Who are you to tell me how to perform my duties? Are you do now parade a manhood or the same genital I married you with?
No, I am sorry.
Will you get out of my sight?
I want to go
out!
Papa, in the chair.
Toto what I am. Toto fry and jaw. Would you want?
Papa.
But I much. The money. Okay. Today I'm going to roast yam for me. Let her make sure that fresh pepper is available with uba and baka and utazi. No more here, That's what I want to take this morning.
Okay, Papa.
We're going to the office, so do it well.
Sorry, Papa. But there are no more yams in the yam band. Unless you want me to go and dig some. Now,
Mama, happy all
Hey, nah.
Mama.
Oh, I can't near. Abo Quedike. I got a watchy loser.
I've got some more.
I know now, boy. I know Olonko, Mamone, Juano. Hey! Unafugun Chakonora. Those of you that said my son will never come back. Hey! My son is back. Back to perform the traditional rites. How if he on the obunike?
Mama, sometimes I just get confused. I'm caught in between this tradition and my faith.
Nah, don't be confused though. If you go na your kadibo.
Yes.
He sent you to school to learn the different cultures and still retain your own. You got to find out why. Now, for your uncle. The community is distressed. Now, what we five you go tell the next.
Mama,
you got them bread. Bread in the Lagos.
Mama, here you come.
Hey,
Bye-bye. Ichiro
Come. Hey! What is it? What is it? Hey!
Ichiro, I greet you and my apologies.
Keep your greetings and apologies to yourself. Listen to me. If we had lost a soul out of hunger, if we had lost a soul, I would have shown you what spirits do with human skull.
If you know what is good for you, you just have to start preparing for that sacrifice.
Obageli, are you mad? Do you want to take my position as the custodian of Emumeji? Do you know you have mentioned the mentionable? You mean you're not afraid to talk to our Ezeji or Obageli?
My husband, I'm sorry. I was just trying to let you know.
Listen to me! Your apology is unacceptable. Very unacceptable. And you must give today's AG one big mpi. Hey! Mpi, baraba, agedeba. He go to baraba. Yes! And 4 tubers of yam.
I have forgiven her, honestly.
That is your business. Entirely your business. It is a taboo for a woman to meddle in the affairs of this sacred sacrifice. So, she must pay the fine. I've spoken. Obegeli, get lost. Lost! Get lost!
Let me continue with where I was going before.
Ichuchendu, please, like I said before, I'm really sorry. But now I am back to take control of that is bestowed upon me. But I need your support. I need your help.
It's all right. We shall do that on the market day. Huh? Yes, so that I will find time to inform Amawa, Okalo, Osile, Azu, and Ifita. Huh? Yes, and other village heads. Okay? Yes. You can now go and take a rest from your long journey.
Thank you, sir.
Long journey.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Let me be going. I'll see you, sir.
It's all right.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
These children.
Nem. He is no phone go. But let me ask you. Why didn't you open a restaurant at Oyolisa? Or near St. Monica self?
I will answer you that question.
Yes.
Because I want you, my family members and relatives to be the only ones that will enjoy my cooking.
If Rafaga, hey, I forget by
Chaluko, it's an alpha normal before joke. Normal means good home.
Yes.
And what if I'm
your name, it's I know everything.
also. This is what can you.
Yeah.
Let me ask, the meeting you had with your uncle,
Yes.
I hope it went well.
Nothing. It went well. Now you're beginning to behave like the wife of the tortoise. You say you will not ask and you don't want to pay fine, but you're still probing.
But I hope you people did not quarrel.
We did not. Anyway, in case you want to know, the only answer we have to is that we'll start digging the yams from after Oye market.
Yeah, after a care.
Okay,
Hey, will come.
you know I'm a titled person. I don't talk when I eat.
I know. Ki wait see us. Mananya be for broken on.
Hey.
Live no. Asina Nancy.
Oh no, man.
Remember those days when our age grade names.
For my trust.
I remember those early days when I was your age mate. Now you don't dance anymore. Hey, you don't know nowadays, our head days. You don't know what you're missing now. My husband, welcome. No.
Where are the items for the fine? Obiageli, listen to me. A fly that does not heed advice follows the corpse to the grave. If you say you don't take shit shit will take you. Today is the last day to pay the fine to SAG. Tomorrow is Eke. And you cannot do it on the day of sacrifice. I've not seen any sign.
My husband, I can't raise money for all these items you just mentioned.
That is your punishment for being nosy and disrespectful. You have missed Afigo Gidi. You have missed Oyolisa. You have missed Afompo. And today is a Wago. If you like, stay here. But you must buy the yams and all the items, including the big impi, with a sizable ochoklopin.
Hey, my husband, please. I can't raise money for all these fines. We don't have yams in the bank again. And you know about it. How do I raise money for 4 tubers of yam? And upon that, you added goats, and even went ahead to describe the big goats. How can I buy that kind of goats? Oh, since I've sold my she goats, kindly give me one of your he goats, so that I can use to offset the fine. And just be thinking about how to raise the...
Obiageli, I don't care how you go about it. Go and sort yourself out. But you must pay the fine. Today. Next time, you learn not to interfere in the affairs of men. Obiageli? 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 It's all right.
Hey. If I had known, I wouldn't have opened my mouth.
This one is all right.
No.
Obiajolo. Why is the post of SAG hereditary? And why must it come from Amawa?
And they shouldn't have come from Isiobunike either. You see, the right people to answer this question you're asking me now is our ancestors. Because right from the time before I grew up to this level with you in this community, both of us know very well that it has been a common practice that this SAG must at all times come from Amawa. So I don't know why you're asking this question.
Listen, if this delay happens again, I will make sure that SAG stops eating meat. Yes, he cannot continue to the delay is enough. Okay,
Ndulu, I think it is of mouth to be angry now. Because the SAG position have been strategically positioned by our ancestors. And now that we find ourselves in this condition, there is nothing we can do than to wait for the time of the gods. Because I know that what you're asking for can never happen. Yes, never happen. Unless you want to wrestle with the gods. Which I know you will not like to wage war with the gods.
To hell. To hell. Let me see that double-cultured man. He will pay me for all the damages. He will.
Ndulu, I think I will liken you to the proverbial tortoise that was thrown into a pit, toilet pit, and he stays there for a very long time. Oweruzie ka ụmụnne ya na-akpazi nkata n'ama amụma ka a ga-esi kpọpụta ya n'onunu. O wee si mee ọsịsọ kpọpụta ya n'ebe a na nsị na-esigbu ya. That's what it will look like. Remember, Eke Day is tomorrow. And you will go ahead and start harvesting your yams. Then, we will lose work at it.
Which yams? Harvesting which yams?
The yams I knew you planted.
Already cooked yams? Or can't you see that the sun is becoming too intensive nowadays?
But I know very well that even if the weather is not favorable to those yams, the little rain, the little water from the soil cools the yams. Or if you doubt it, visit your farm early in the morning tomorrow. You will see the evidence of what I'm talking about.
Listen, I am insisting that we have to do something very fast before we get to doomsday. Yes.
I support you, Ndule, but we must apply caution. Caution is the watchword now. Can you one Take it.
It's all right.
Take it.
I'm okay. I'm all right.
Bamba, take it.
I'm okay.
Take it.
Thank you.
Take it.
Hey, Obiagali. Who need him? This one you remembered me today.
Oh, Mama, I did not come to see you. I came to see your son. Is he around?
Don't worry, my son is sleeping. I made this akidi with vegetable soup. After eating it, he went to the room to sleep.
Who asked you? I didn't ask you, of course, and you know that. I came to see your son and not you.
Acha, full-grown young lady. Everything has come out. So we don't know how to greet people again. Up where?
Good evening.
Good evening to you too.
Good evening.
Good evening.
You see a well-brought-up child. Did you see how we just greeted you? If we are okay, that is how to bring up a child.
Because Jude, this is the goat. I came to redeem what my husband told me to bring. This is it here. This is the yam.
You know, left for me alone, I wouldn't have insisted on this fine. But if not for tradition, you know how it is. Huh? However, thank you very much, you know. There's nothing I can do about it.
No, if I'm here, this goat, by the time I finish making pepper soup, then I use this yam to pound. Hey! Oh God, it will be a good one.
Come on, let's just get out of here. No problem.
Are you sure you don't want to stay back and enjoy? Hey! Nah, you didn't even tell me that they find her.
What kind of celebration is this? Why are you getting excited over this fine? And moreover, or everything can work around wine about. Should men be discussing everything with women?
Hey.
Women discuss this with women.
You know, when I will pound this yam, swing me this way. I pound it this way. Now, take that in and come and carry this thing. Hey! No more market for 1 week. How can you see a woman?
Obidolu na bobo, emumeji okeniru. Obidolu na bobo, chikwese numinani, emumeji emumudo. Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emumeji okeniru. Obidolu na bobo, jibweze nubinani, emumeji emumudo. Obidolu na bobo, abyanubi jibweze, abyanani jibweze, Jine buta fo juju buto biangoli obode bili nudo. Jine buta fo juju buto biangoli obode bili nudo. Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emumeji oganiru. Obidolu na bobo, jibweze nubinani, emumeji emumudo. Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emumeji emumeji ọganiru obidolu na gbogbo jikweze n'ubi na nni emumeji emumudo obidolu na gbogbo emumeji
You may sit down. Anụzọ obodo anyị nye n'ụmụ nwa ji m were ụgbọ ji me dodorimado na ọ bụrụ nwoke na ọ bụkọghị m dodorimado ma na ọ bụrụ nwaanyị na-agakwa anụ ya anụ dodorimado na ọ bụrụ nwoke na ọ bụkọghị m dodorimado. Emume ji ka anyị na-eme asị na ọ ga-adịla anyị mma ọ ga-adịla anyị mma n'Eke ọ ga-adịla anyị mma n'Orie ọ ga-adị n'Afọ ọ ga-adịla anyị mma na Nkwọ. Emume ji ka anyị na-eme anyị sị na ji bụ eze ji eze akụkụ na ọ ga-adịla anyị mma Anụzọ obodo anyị nye n'ụmụ nwa ji m were ụgbọ ji ime dodorimado ma ọ bụrụ nwoke na ọ bụkọghị m dodorimado na ọ bụrụ nwaanyị na-agakwa anụ ya dodorimado. Ezeji, it is your turn to perform your duties.
Emumeji
Ọganiru.
Ọganiru.
Emumeji.
Emumeji
Ọganiru.
Ọganiru.
Emumeji.
Our fathers performed it. Our forefathers also did. And passed on to us. It is the tradition. With the powers vested on me as the SAG, I hereby commission this New Yam Festival to be fruitful, that we will eat and be alive, and increase and multiply. I hereby cut to represent the 10 different clans that makes up Ogbunike.
Obidolu na gbogbo, obidolu na gbogbo, emumeji ọganiru. Obidolu na gbogbo, jikweze n'ubi na nni, emumeji emumudo. Obidolu na gbogbo, obidolu na gbogbo, obidolu na gbogbo, obidolu na gbogbo, emumeji ọganiru. Obidolu na gbogbo, jikweze n'ubi na nni, emumeji emumudo. Obidolu na gbogbo. Abịa n'ubi jikweze, abịa na nni jikweze, Chinebute afọ ojuju bute obi aṅụrị obodo ebili n'udo. Chinebute afọ ojuju bute obi aṅụrị obodo ebili n'udo. Obidolu na gbogbo, obidolu na gbogbo, emumeji ọganiru. Obidolu na gbogbo, jikweze n'ubi na nni, emumeji emumudo. Obidolu na gbogbo, obidolu na gbogbo, obidolu na gbogbo, obidolu na gbogbo, emumeji ọganiru. Jibweze n'ubi na nni emume ji emume udo obidolu na bobo obidolu na bobo obidolu na bobo emume ji ọganiru obidolu na bobo Jibweze n'ubi na nni emume ji emume udo obidolu na bobo obidolu na bobo obidolu na bobo emume ji ọganiru obidolu na bobo Jibweze n'ubi na nni emume ji emume udo obidolu na bobo.
Oyoyo nne. Ngina nwa ya na akpali.
Yes.
Oyoyo nne.
So it's ready.
Tell him kanje na kitchen.
It's all right. Wait. Chine, there's plenty.
Papa.
Yes.
Why do you even want me around? Just to eat the first yam with you?
My son.
Papa.
You see, when a plantain tree dies, the young ones take over. I want you to know the culture and tradition of our people. Most Igbos who live in townships these days do not know our culture anymore.
You have a point there, Papa. Some children can no longer speak Igbo language. Even my neighbor's children in Enugu cannot speak Igbo. They don't know they are fast losing their identity.
That's right. That's right.
Papa?
Yes.
This one is very sweet.
Indeed.
Papa? I want to be the next SAG.
Chinedu.
Papa.
You cannot be SAG as long as Obinna is alive. And his son will be SAG after him.
Then, why does he not want to get married?
Leave that issue.
Papa, at his
Wait, leave that issue. I will address it very soon.
Papa, what I'm just saying is that at his age, he should be a father to 1 or 2 children by now.
I know.
Anyway, if he doesn't get married and he dies now, I will be the next SAG.
Will you shut up your mouth? How dare you speak evil in such manner? Do you know it is sacrilege to wish him dead? Or do you want the gods to descend on my family?
Papa, I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. That is the problem with the youths of nowadays. They are over ambitious. And that is why they go into crime easily. Honor and integrity have been thrown to the winds.
Papa Bikozian, Wara, please forgive me. I'm very, very sorry. Papa, you see, you're a man of justice, honor, and integrity. I want to follow your footsteps.
It's all right. But you should not think evil of anyone. You have to be upright.
Okay, Papa.
That's it. So let's enjoy the food.
Obidolu na bobo Jibweze n'ubi na nni emume ji emume udo obidolu na bobo obidolu na bobo obidolu na bobo obidolu na bobo emume ji ọganiru obidolu Obidolu na bobo, Jibweze nubi na ni emumeji emumudo.
Honestly,
Mokwe phone saga. Saga. Saga.
No.
Good afternoon.
Edu.
Enata.
Yes, ma'am.
If you need your phone, you came to eat the new year with your father. Oh my God, no.
Please come and join us.
Hey, Brother Jude, I've celebrated my father already. Email, Mama. I would have loved to come feud already.
Oh, so what?
Brother Jude, my father sent me to call you.
Yes, tell him I'll come and see him after the dinner.
Okay, brother. Mama.
Do you know why he sent for?
I don't know, but I think I'll just go and see him right away. Let me even run and go and see him now.
Libenu, you have not taken enough fish.
No, I will do that when I come back. Can't you fear? I'm coming back now. I'll eat when I'm back. I'm okay now. I'm after.
Well, no. As I say, so can. No, I'm going to go to him and him.
Obinna,
Iche, I'm here.
if you want to lay an epileptic woman, you do it in a haste so that epilepsy will not catch you. But if you relax in her inner chamber, as if it is your father's parlor, if you don't catch epilepsy, epilepsy will catch you.
But Iche, I don't.
Obinna! Hey! I didn't hear anything. Hey!
See, girls, are we not going to Okalo again?
We are not going. I don't want my father to catch me. I want to sit here and eat all the different shades of yam prepared in different ways.
Ujunwa, Ujukasen, Nyatobugogi. You like food too much.
You uncle, you like running. When you're not
Hey, the unmarried AZG of Ubunike is coming. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, AZG. Chuma, you na good now.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, you did well by coming home. I would like to come and visit you at home.
Oh, well, you can come, but come with your friends.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
You're welcome.
Hi, Chuma. To fear again. Get in a medigame. What is wrong with you? You know about queen in Kegea, eh? I'm madam the way you describe what they are.
My sister. Take it easy.
See, if you don't want to shine your eye, me, I'm ready to shine my own. If you think I'm happy staying in the village, be there. So this rubbish made a kid about shining of eyes. Eh, Chioma? Are you not about shining of eyes? Are you not ashamed of yourself? A man is supposed to be the one chasing after you, not the other way around.
Tell her. That one is your business. Did you see the way he admired me?
Kita.
Hey, Jesus Christ. Hey, I can't wait to marry him and follow him to Lagos.
Follow to Lagos?
Yes. Shut up. Marry. Nejilie na nwayo obiko. Atozazina.
Marry.
Asa baby. Choma Mbanefu. Where are you going to? Where to Biko? Ebekwa. I'm going to Oyolisa to buy something. Oyegini. Oyolisa kiji kenkuchanina dressed like this. Is it because this one is long? But you not pull it down now. Hey. See, forget I'm in the village. I'm not Mbeke like you. Do you hear? Me Mbeke. I'm not Mbeke like you now. Can't you see? I be la hot now. 180. Imarozi. Inekuzike kana mom. Please, oh, don't worry. I'll put you in the mood. Oh? Yes. You will teach me. Oh, are you sure it's Oyolisa you're going to? This girl, the way I'm looking at you, you want to do one Rahim move. Ha! Hey, so come on, Oyolisa teenager. Are you sure it's Oyolisa you're going to? This girl. You, Okwen.
That's the color.
Papa.
I hope they are 18 number.
Yes, Papa.
Put them here. Then give me the phone. I'm going to appease the gods.
Papa, let me follow you.
Mbano, you cannot follow me to the shrine of Ozukampu. You have no business there.
Papa, why do you want to appease the gods?
If you are given the head of a dog, what will you do with the jaw? You are still too young to understand the enormous task of the custodian of Emumeji and the guardian of his age.
Papa, I am your first son. Make me understand.
Trees bear flowers before they bear fruits. You have to understand the ancestral origin of Nkese before you know why he has to be appeased. Eh? Let me go. Let me go. I'm coming.
Nkese.
Mama Daniel, I gotta go for more. Can you grind out this thing? Hey, good afternoon. Oh, fine girl. Hey, what can I do for you?
Ma, I'm looking for SAG. Is he around?
SAG?
Yes, ma.
He is around. Come on, girl. Let me call him for you. Wow, but you have a beautiful visitor here. You have a beautiful visitor here.
SAG, good afternoon.
Nah, look after her, eh? Make her very comfortable. Hey.
I thought I asked you to come with your friend.
Yes, but they refused to come. They said they are not interested. That's why I'm even here late.
So what's your name?
My name is Chioma Mbanefu.
And where are you from?
I'm from Osile.
Ah, Osile Ndike.
Yes.
No wonder you look sharp.
Is it too much? SAG, my hair logana. SAG, please, I want you to take me to Lagos. I just want to be your friend.
You want to be my friend and you want to follow me to Lagos?
Yes.
You don't have a problem then. It's people like you that Lagos is looking at.
Hey, the Kamaka. Hey, SAG, my hair loga. I took a make an hour.
For what?
I want to name matter everything. Okay, I got my father. When I'm done now, but I can win as well. Alright. Yeah, one.
Isn't it? Now I want to ensure that the marriage of my late brother's son is a success.
Okay, it's okay, but after the traditional marriage, don't forget that there is also the white wedding.
Shut up your mouth! How dare you? This age of Owunike. How can you reason through your anus by thinking of a church wedding? Let me tell you, church was what the white man brought to calm us down while stealing our resources. Yes.
Uncle, good afternoon.
Hey, Adamato. They don't call me uncle. That is the white man's creation.
Call me Ichie, I cannot be Vembo. Eh? Yes.
Okay, Ichie, good afternoon.
I know you have come for your brother's banquet, isn't it? Oh, well done. Well done, eh? I'm still expecting Chinedu.
Oh.
I don't know why he's not here.
Oh, okay. Okay. So, Brother Jude, how is everything? Tell me, how are you preparing?
We are preparing well. Eh? This is why we are in a meeting. Yes.
Oh, okay. In that case, let me go inside and greet Mama Chinedu and Chinedu.
It's all right, my daughter. Well done, eh?
Okay.
I got the care. My dear, I also invited the whole Ebumeji group.
You see all of them?
Yes. Hey, but relax. I will take care of their food and drinks.
Everything that all of them will eat.
Don't bother.
Hey, it's here. Thank you very much.
Before I forget, let me wear up so that we go to the bank.
Okay,
Wait!
I wish my uncle will understand. You just transfer this money to me so that I can use it for something very important like business.
Very beautiful. Oh, check it out. Look at this dress. Hey, Nekret, have you seen it? I am going to look kulukulele. Hey, Ogana, what's Hey, how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Welcome, my daughter.
Hey, Bekene. I say, Uju, she has collected her shibi. Did you hear what Mama said?
Hey, Mama, I forgot.
You forgot?
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry, I forgot. But the tailor asked me to come this afternoon.
This afternoon? What are you doing here? You go back.
Baba, no. Gonna watch that day.
Goes here.
Omaka. I've not seen Chioma. That your friend. She didn't come to help you out in one or two things. At least
Mama, forget Chioma, Biko. What
happened?
She said her anger is that I'm getting married to the age. She was eyeing him. She practically carried herself and threw on his age. She forced herself on him.
Hi!
So he weighed the hot. That's and I snatched her.
You mean the liver?
To be.
You're saying the truth.
Gasi. Do you know what she now said?
Gine.
That Uju and I are bush girls. That she Adam classified. That Uju and I were not classical girls. Nayadiro classical. So let us carry our mboikerism and find something to do with our lives.
Didn't I warn you that that girl is a very, very bad girl? Which child from a decent home will be going naked in the village and all eyes will be seeing her? I warn you. Leave her alone. I don't want to be seeing you and her again. I told you. Leave her alone. She's a bad influence.
I've heard you.
I don't want to see you and her again. Look at it. How is it? Irukazu.
Ozugo. Hey.
What do you expect now? I'm so happy.
Chikweze, Lubinani, Ebumeji, Emumudo, Obidolu na bobo, Obidolu na bobo, Obidolu na bobo, Ebumeji, Oganiru, Obidolu na bobo, Chikweze, Lubinani, Ebumeji, Emumudo, Obidolu na bobo, Obidolu na bobo, Obidolu na bobo, Obidolu na bobo, Ebumeji, Oganiru, Obidolu na bobo, Chikweze, Lubinani, Ebumeji, Emumudo, Obidolu na bobo. Abianubi, Jibweze Abianani Jibweze Jine buta for juju buto biangoli obode bili nudo Jine buta for juju buto biangoli obode bili nudo Obidolu na bobo emumeji organiru Obidolu na bobo
Alright. Bookie, kí ló fẹ́ jẹ? She eat rice. Wàá mu juice.
I'm not happy at all.
Alright, I know you are angry. Mo mọ̀ pé inú ń bí ẹ, mo mọ̀. But you still love this guy. You want to stay with him, even at the risk of exams. Oloba agbele ni now. Only fair ni.
Let me see, you understand. Eh? What have I not done for this guy? Hear me see. I've sacrificed a lot for him.
Alright, I understand more than you think. Oh, you now. Eh? You owe this guy your life. He saved you. And you love him. Eh? Only fair ni. Mama so be yen ife lo fa ife ni.
Let me see. I will so show this guy. I will so show him.
You came to my house. Welcome, Ekabo.
No, not exactly. I was passing by your street, so I said let me come and see so that you can plead on my behalf. Bookie, please, I'm sorry. It's not intentional.
Ọmọ tó ṣàn, ọmọ ọlá, má má ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, dáríjì, ṣùgbọ́n,
Also, please, you are saying please. What will happen to the girl in the village? What will happen to the village wife that you have?
I'll sort it out, please. Just give me time. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I am sure that if we put our love together, it will form a serious force. Then we can be able to fight it, please. Please, for the sake of our baby.
Ife me, Onyembuno be my darling, my honey. I will never leave you, we're together forever.
I told you. I told you that good life is older than the monkey. I'm sure that is the man that got you pregnant.
Sorry, it's not like that, sir.
Officer! Sir! Arrest him.
Please.
Will you shut up your mouth? Tomato pepper, I cook bati for you. Bati. Dinner! Who did I give you to? You are saying your husband. I'm bati for you. Let me see. God will shape me. I'm very happy. Thank you very much. God bless you. Just take this and manage it. That's all. Don't say it's small.
I wanted him, but he chose you. I've taken my revenge. What if son me?
Hey, Asapon, maybe you need to kiss me. What is it?
Mama, welcome. Where is Ezeji's mother? I hope she's around.
She's not around. She went out.
Why are you doing like this now? You okay?
Oh my God, listen, I'm not feeling.
It's again, get go say Maggie.
Let's go inside.
How? Chukwu no pass ofunji. Biko kwa. Let's go. Mama go say Maggie wodo. Hell, Chukwu na. Hell.
One don't know if we're going in. Very soon we will become grandmothers.
See, that's good news. But why did Ezeji abandon my daughter? Why is Ezeji with you when Ogechi abandon? Why is the one? No.
This is the one that I don't understand. It's unlike my son. It's Yokumina. He always gonna be fed. I had this bad dream. I'm telling you. I have a feeling my son is in trouble.
No, Mama Ifa. If your son is in trouble, by now we would have heard it. Yes. We have so many Ogunike people living in Lagos. They would have told us. Okay. Yes. Look at Mr. Oraifo. Cause Papa Achinelu. Cause Nkena no nwa teacher. Kezafia Ebogota. Would have told us now. Yes.
Some Oziano, this my in-law a mad dream. It's a mad dream, okay?
See, I'm not what I was one. Okay, I'm not what I was him. The state of my daughter is making me to cry.
Wando. Kedafam.
Wando.
Afam bo norma. That means a good home. And when I'm making no na Ogechi atafufu, I cannot stand by and watch Ogechi suffer. Biko. I will take care of Ogechi.
Biko.
Okay, why do they call me Onoma? A good home. I worries in my Ogechi. I'm a negotiate yourself, eh? Imem kwata na onwemu. Icha na omomole. Please do. Please do. Please do. Okwado so funji. Awotam. Adi okwado emu. Oto wo esi nke to bo no no. Awotam. Obinne.
Iyo na metukpa ni ametukpa anu mu. Metukpa no. We say fele nwa no no.
Then tienye go give the assurance you need. Wait to Obiki calm down. I would look after her. If you want to go to someone, in July for all you know to Quaker oat, can you call your family account? Quaker oat, Tinyo Manu Tiamele.
Manavia Macadmadia and
Kennedy, my God, Cobia Kito, make a say,
was going with the suppose.
Oh, yes, Nata. Oh, yes,
India.
I'm a master. So what do you think? I'm a some of the young man.
How are you doing? What is it?
I'm worried.
Why?
See, Jude, you like me, people. Everybody, you please don't like me. Your wife hates me. Your mother hates me. Everybody here hates me.
How did you know that? Who told you that?
And everybody in short hates me. I even heard you fighting with one of your uncle. I don't even know the man.
See, my dear, you shouldn't be bothering yourself with...
Let me bother. I have to bother. Is this why I'll stay till I give birth to my unborn baby?
Please, I'm sorry. See, let me tell you something. You see, our love is passing through a test of time. Don't forget that love is patient. Love is forgiving and accommodating. Don't worry with time here.
What is it?
What's the meaning of this?
You don't know this is my husband. It doesn't balance. You want to claim territory. Only who sent you?
Okay, what I'm talking about you.
There's nothing to explain here. This man is my husband. Do not come in between. If you come near my husband again, I'll pour you hot oil. We'll make many things in this house.
Explain to you now to relax. Just give me time.
You brought this upon yourself. Enuge, you are my husband. Legally married though. Nkawo concubine. She should not come in between you and I. You are the SAG and I am the SAG's wife. Yes! The wife to the king of Yamonyem. Nyamosponam.
no, be my darling, my honey. I will never leave you. We're together forever, oh, Lolufe.
I greet you, sir.
May your tongue drop into your stomach. So this is the Lagos woman, eh? Obinna. Do you know that as the Zeji of Obunike, our goals and tradition forbid what you are doing?
Shit, but let me ask you. Does also our God forbid people from being in love, true love? Eh? This our God. Does he also deny a man to forsake a woman that is pregnant for him? Now, Uncle, check good air from your side. Odimma, is it nice?
Hey! Tufiakwa! Aro! Hey, wait! Tufiakwa! Aro!
It's nothing, don't worry. Just my uncle. I'll settle with him.
Aro!
Sit down, just.
Tufiakwa!
No, leave him.
Tufiakwa!
Don't cry now. I don't like it when you cry. You break my heart. Eh? Nothing will happen to you. Remember, I'm the only one you have right now, so I won't let anything hurt you. Okay? I love you. Yeah? Sorry, my love. Sorry, yeah? Sorry, baby. Sorry, my love.
If me, Onyembuno be my darling, my honey. I will never leave you. We're together forever, oh, Lolufe. If me, Onyembuno be my darling, my honey. I will never leave you. We're together forever.
Love, what wrong did I do in allowing you to marry my daughter? Hey, Zeji!
I'm okay. Please, I'm not in the mood for all this now, please.
Did you see that? Did you hear him? He no longer calls me uncle as he used to call me. But let me tell you, Zeji, you will not disgrace my daughter in this village. I will not allow you to disgrace my daughter and my family.
What is it, Gon? What is it now? He's not in the mood. He's not there for me. What is it? I can't fight you people. I can't just fight you people because I'm pregnant. If not, my show in Lepo. No, you po. Oh, yeah, Peter. Oh, just let you watch this up here. Leave me alone. Let me talk.
Are you talking to me?
Yes, I'm talking. All people there we should be challenging me and my mother.
Can you put your mouth?
If you want to tell her what you don't put that much again. Okay. Leave my husband! What is this now? Leave him now! Oh!
Hey! Uncle! Take it easy now. Do you want to kill my son? Why should Zeji beat up my pregnant daughter? Why should he? Eh? Why? Did you beat up?
No, I'll just...
you just go lost here. Come on, sit down. It's okay. I'm not telling you, Efele. Yes. Would you stop? Stop. What happened? Yes, you do. I'll beat you. Yes, you do. What happened? Yes. You. Come and carry your gun. You're mad. Don't carry your gun. Come and carry your gun. You will see it. I was making you feel like we were fighting. Help me.
Igwe. Eze Dianyima Nobuneke. I greet you.
Ichendulo, K4. What is the problem that needs my urgent attention? I want you to go straight to the matter.
Igwe, it is only the race of no consequence that a woman would run gripping her breast. Our land, the fertility of our land is being threatened, Igwe. And this could affect the prosperity of our people.
Iche, Batu, you are still on the Iroko tree. I want you to come down and speak to me in a plain language.
Igwe, there is problem in our land. Right now, the SAG is doing Omenenu instead of Omenana. That is why I have run down quickly to let you know so that you will come into the matter before things get out of hand.
You are right. I am the Igwe. There's no doubt about that. But I want you to know that Igwe cannot do everything. If there is a problem within Emumeji, Iche Uchendo would have informed me of that, and not you. Moreover, Ozu Kampu has the final say on that, not even me, the Igwe. Anyway, as a member of the Emumeji, my advice to you people is that you should go home and settle amicably. The head of the ram is in the bag of the ram. As you can see, I'm on my way to Oka. I have a meeting to attend with His Royal Highness, the Igwe Lazekwempe, the Ezendeze, and I can't keep him waiting. Good day.
Hey! Hey! Afuwa manya. Igwa umnana. Hey! Hey! Igwa umnana. Hey!
Yeah.
Ọ̀túnba fún rẹ̀ ọkọ tèmi nìkan ṣoṣo Ọ̀túnba bàbá àsàlẹ̀kú fún rẹ̀ bàbá European. You see, my dear husband,
Yeah.
I have a favor to ask from you.
When I hear all those praises, I believe there is something behind it. What is the favor?
You see, my dear husband,
Yeah.
there's this meeting coming up. in Ijuland. And you know that as the Relu of Ijuland, I can't afford to be absent from that meeting.
All right. When is the meeting?
It's the day after tomorrow.
So, well, you can go tomorrow then.
Yes, thank you, my dear husband. That's why I love you. Thank you for understanding the fact that, you know, the work of an Relu is very demanding and tasky.
That's why I'm in support of you becoming the Relu. That is why we are dressed as Otumba, Badmus, Fashola, and Erelu, Ronke, Sikira, Fashola. Is that not a good combination? I will take my leave now. All right.
Take care of yourself.
I will see you when I come back.
Have a lovely day.
All right. Thank you. Yeah.
No. It put us. What did you just say now? Hey! Ana kon kemeleme. Ozaneme. It put us. Are you adding more salt to the picture? No. Did you come here to mock me? No. I'm actually. Ibialeba ipasugudu miwe. Ibialeba ichimochi. Did you come here to mock me? I'm asking you. Mock. Yes. Did you come here to mock me? God forbid. The truth they say is bitter. It's you na fufu nanti. Okay, you thought by now your yam bags must have been filled with yams. Mobo na nwa de nwa enoya. If you gani anu, you go no ga abele. What to do? Just keep the plan chop. Ikutos, you are mad. Ikutos, I say you are very, very stupid. So I called you here. So that you will come and share in my grief. If I'm here, Chalo, boss. Get out of my house now!
Excuse me, gentlemen. Excuse me.
Yes, please. Come. You call me? Yes. I mean, you call.
So, please. Good afternoon, gentlemen. Please, I'm looking for the house of one Mr. Jude Mbamala. Yes, Mbamala. He stays in Lagos, but he has come to his village.
Madam, the Jude wey me myself know. His name na Ubamalu, not Ubamala.
Yes. Please, can you direct me to their house?
But then what you want go find for that war zoom now? Na heavy gbegede that side though. But anyway, based on say me and you they align well with the flow. I don't want to go worry no like this so. But because of you, I feel postpone my journey for just 20 minutes. But you go find me small change, small thing.
It's okay, don't worry. I'll give you something, okay? I'll give you something. Come into the car, just take me there.
You sure?
Why not?
You sure so?
Come in, I will give you something.
I know they play with my money, oh.
I'll give you something, good thing.
Okay. So before I go enter, I go put my slippers on. Male, this your motor call well.
Jumbo, how are you?
You sabi catch big thing well. Now wow, bros, you too much, Male, this not the Jude where they look for. Settle me, make I move. Now worry get me so like this. Cha, make it heavy, oh. Make the money pockish. Jude, what we are learn later now. In the evening, I go come see you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Are you the Jude?
Yes.
You? Where's my daughter? So where's my daughter? Yes, my daughter. Where's my daughter?
Mommy.
Where have you? Where did you?
You know me too, mommy.
Bukola. Tèmi ti bàjẹ́, ìwọ ọmọ yóò ti bà tèmi jẹ́, ó ti bà ayé mi jẹ́. Bukola! Just look at you. Ìwọ ọmọ tàbí ire tó wá láti ilé ire. Wo nǹkan tó wá sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀dá. You, have you forgotten your background? Do you know where you are coming from? Look at yourself. Look at what you have turned yourself into. What are you doing? You don't belong here. And you impregnated my daughter and abducted her. I'm going to. Wait, what did you say? What kind of useless love are you talking about? Love!
I definitely that's my husband.
Bukola. You've disgraced me. You've disgraced our family. Niwo. Èmi Ereluronke Sikiratu Fashola. Èmi Sisi Isaleko. Èmi Mama European. Just imagine. Omotemi bi. A child from a royal home, you Bukola, finding yourself in this rotten, God-forsaken place. Oya, Afara, into the car. Oya,
Me, one more to Coco.
Money, one more
I'm not going anywhere.
Boki!
Ma!
Money, one more to me.
One more to me.
What? Oda, I know what to do. This is what you have turned my daughter into. A rebel. Just hold on. Then I will show you. Hey. Castle Commissioner.
If you call any police, mommy, what? I will shock you. I will kill myself. I will slice myself. This is my husband. I love him.
I'm not calling any police again. I'm not calling anybody.
I'm not going anywhere.
Give it to me. Don't. Okay. Bukola nítorí Ọlọ́run ò dé ṣàánú are. Just look at yourself, Ureno. Look at the way you are looking. I mean, nobody will believe the background you come from. Imagine.
Mommy, leave background alone. There is no background in this matter. Background does not give real happiness. Mommy, I love Jude.
And let me tell you the truth, Jude loves me too, Mommy.
Bukola,
Ma.
let me tell you something. I'm not going to allow you to stay here one more second. Do you hear me? You are going home with me.
Mommy, I'm not coming. Mommy, leave me alone. This is my home.
Asi. You look here. This is not your home. This is okay.
Mama Jude.
Mama.
This is my home.
You will go. You. So you don't know you're a concubine? I am Jude's legal wife. Yes. Munye Zeji. You look here. Go. Oh. So each and all that's your plate that he washes in the midnight and in the morning. You are not staying. You will call and solo your mama.
Come, my dear girl. Oh, you can't insult my daughter like that.
I sing you Buchiano, yeah. It's not getting him go on now. Ibiaba Sulumo Yibo. And that was so Waka come here. No, woman, let me just tell you. You should be ashamed of yourself. Look at your daughter. She waka alone all the way from Lagos. I know my care.
Lagos.
Can you imagine? Well, Danny over there. It was my son. You train her. She's not trained. You did not pay her bride price. No traditional rights. We don't know you people. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Oh my goodness, Bukola, for God's sake, look at the insults I'm receiving because of you. Just look at, imagine this one talking to me like that.
Oh! Because of you. It's not insult. I will show you insult. If you don't take this child out of this place, I will show you the stuff I'm made of.
Olúwa, èmi fúnra mi, èmi leleyin bá sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí. Ṣé mi leleyin bá sọ̀rọ̀?
I am Pastor.
You see how she's insulting me. This witch.
Witch? You are the one that is a witch, and your daughter.
I will show you how I fly in the afternoon.
Eléyìí lè pààyàn.
What is this?
Mama.
Kí ló dé go.
Kí ló dé? Must you snore the whole building down?
I was not snoring, I was sleeping.
No, give me key, I was sleeping. It's too much pepper and oil that you eat. That is why you snore every day. Oh, give me the...
I didn't know it's pepper. Mama, just your ugly every time. Mama, what is this now?
Every time your friend does your shrink, it's pepper and oil. Too much of it.
In this house, you don't let me rest. You don't let me be myself. Every time you be telling me what is it? I'm trying to learn your language to satisfy you. You will not answer me. You hate me so much in this house.
I don't hate you.
You hate me.
I just want you to go. Go. You're not the wife. You need only one wife. The one that he has paid dowry for. Where
am I going to, Mama? Where?
To your father's house now.
I'm pregnant for your son, Mama. I'm carrying your born baby. What is it?
Give me Messia.
What is it? Every time in this house I try to satisfy you. You'll be telling me Mama. What are you willing? I will carry something you tell me I can't carry it. I will sleep you. Can you tell me I will go away when you tell me Mama. This house will go way together. We go way together.
Ogechi, I pray you'll be the first person to give birth to a male child, so that you can be relevant and be respected in our community.
Why do you say so?
Because I overheard my father telling Ichepelu that the only way the gods will compensate you is for you to give birth to the next AZG.
May the gods have mercy on you.
They will have mercy on you. He also said the first child of an AZG must be a son. That is how it has been.
Uju, I'm very scared though. Because the way I'm looking at that Ofe Manu girl, She might just give birth before me.
Don't say that. You don't have to panic. She will not give birth to a son. Oh, one call Gamu. She will give birth to one. Don't panic. Oh, one call Gamu. She will give birth to one.
You just told me what Ichie said.
I know I said that. Her traditional rites have not been done. How about Solodiga? Did they pay her rights? Did they do anything on her head? Don't worry. Don't worry, eh? Thank you for seeing me. I'll just go back, eh? Kamlawa. You go. Oh. Don't panic. You go. Okay. I will see you. Don't panic.
Thank you.
Snoring like a big elephant. Jesus! I didn't know it was you. I'm sorry. I thought it was the Yoruba girl.
Mama, it was too hot inside. I decided to come and sleep outside here to take fresh air.
I went to church on Sunday.
Obidolu na bobo, jibweze nubinani, emumeji, emumudo. Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emumeji okaniru. Obidolu na bobo, jibweze nubinani, emumeji, emumudo. Obidolu na bobo.
Make sure you give the paracetamol to grandma, eh? Once she's done eating. Okay. Let me go to the roadside and buy card. You know, go. Hello? Don't worry, I'll soon be with you. No, I'll be with you soon.
Ndichie. That one Mba I always refused to send away has given birth.
Birth to what? Or birth to male or female?
To a son.
Hey!
To a son. Hey! So what do we do?
Oh, Boba. Oh, Boba, no. My elders. This situation can only be likened to a situation where a man has a boy on his scrotum. If he tries to puncture it, trouble. And if he says, let me leave it, that's why you see the main trouble.
Wahala.
All the car, ebe to mad in ebe nagala. Eh? Always see go begin. Go babu ya. If you so. What's going to go happen? If I can so la. Obunike. Ichi uchendo. As the head and custodian of our Emumeji. What is the way forward?
Iche Obiajono, if we have to move forward, we should not leave all the problems for Uche Uchendu alone. Because the cooking pot for the chameleon is also the cooking pot for the lizard. We have to begin to think of the way forward.
Together.
But Ndiche, two agama lizards cannot be in one territory.
That is true.
We cannot have two sons succeeding one AZG. If Obina's real wife gives birth to a son, that is where the main confusion will come.
No, Gekwe not. I don't think there will be confusion. Yes. Our gods are not gods of confusion. Yes. I suggest we should see Ozukambu. And then he will in turn consult the gods on this matter.
Very, very you have spoken well. We will go and consult the gods and know what they have to say. But I know I'm the custodian of Emumeji. But I will not go alone. Because I will phone you for. So in that wise, Ichie Igbelu and Ichie Ndulwa, you will go with me. Yes, so let's go together. Ndemubeji, have I spoken your mind?
Yes. And I will not give it to that. Let us report of trust me. You will surely say something. Gentlemen, I think this is a cause for concern because we were warned before. We were surely warned. Go and please. Take care of her. No. He has a sick wife, so let him go and take care of her. What I'm trying is that there is no way we can do this thing without it. Even considering what happened the other day, we are asking.
See how he's eating. You're very lucky. You know some babies, you have to force them to eat.
This one can finish everything. Pot of soup there.
And it's so
that is too young.
Agadi abo. Agadi Ekensa with Mama Yongi. Father will marry. Nonsense. 30 years in the university, half degree. Won't be check out. I'll never name one.
Ajonwa show we bayen ne afo. See, pikin we follow from back enter in mama belle. Na better pikin be that way.
Did she say they brought me through the back? I will show her. Is she talking to me?
No. Na me she dey abuse, but don't worry, I can handle her.
Thank you.
Yeah.
My friend, this is very good. Let me use this opportunity to tell you something. Haven't you noticed that this girl, they call her a shoe where I come from? Devil, she's a devil. She and devil, they live in mini flats together.
You're right. Okay, you're right.
Can you imagine? But now that I've given birth, trust me already. I will show her Lagos. I will so deal with her now that I've given birth.
I trust you. Buki, I trust you. Buki, have you called your mom to tell her you've given birth?
Oh, already. Well, I called her. As I said hello, she just said hello. I said, Mommy, I'm sorry. Hey, talk. I said, Mommy, please, I've given birth. I just want to tell you. Look, I don't like where you are. I don't like where you are. Leave there and come back home. If not. That dating place.
Are you serious?
She was angry. She didn't answer me. Well, I just cut the phone.
Even when you're giving birth to our own grandchild.
You know my mommy.
That's so sad.
We'll leave that aside, Ojari already. I have gist for you. Before you came back home, I followed some people to this Igbo people's church. Are you serious? Ah, already! I like the way Igbo people do praise and worship. It's different. What did you like? Igbo people. That is this pot thing with foam. Let me sing of it. Nagini le na si. Bumbe shike big bumbo itabuni le nasi ebube pa ebube Jehovah imo marama ili marama na ulili le nasi ebube keke toko good women ebube Jehovah marama na bulile la bulile already sit down, you will not kill me. You will not die. Teach you. Listen. Oh yeah. Oh, my friend, you're using auto. Let me sing it in bars. Nabruli nasi ebube ebube Jehovah maramba. Oh, enjoy ebube Jehovah maramba. Oh maramba. Hey, you put us extra.
Nema muamu guamu ta malive. Nna muamu bakagu amu ta malive o. Na nwagu to hunsa semisha gbodogo ni Igbo. Nwagu to hunse bia semisha gbodogo ni Igbo. Na nne m kuwe moto ma mgbe mmalụ na me. Na nna m kuwe moto ma mgbe mmalụ na na m. Ịma na okolo nke m nọgị n'egwu echi ofologbo. Ịmakwa na mgbogo nke m nọkwa n'egwu echi ofologbo.
Mbogo Polisi Eneke nke dị ụbọchị ụbọlọ ọkụkọ isi olotirio.
The eye of the gods. Ozukampu. What did the gods say?
Keep quiet! I am still communing with the gods. Mbogo Polisi Eneke nke dị ụbọchị ụbọlọ ọkụkọ isi olotirio.
The gods are quiet.
They have not spoken. You have to go. Iche Uchendo. Go. I will send words across to you. When the gods speak, go.
Nanema muamugu amu da malive. Namu muamu bakagu amu da malive. Nwagu da wunza semisha gbodogo ni Igbo. Nwagu da wunze baka semisha gbodogo ni Igbo. Na nemu gube moto ma mgbe mmalụ na me. Na nemu gube moto ma mgbe mmalụ na me. Agụba na-aka agụba igogolo ga agụbala ụzọ. Agụba ka mgbawa dị n'ụzọ. Ọgbamụba agụba na-aka agụba igogolo. Ọmụba ga-agụbala ụzọ agụba ka mgbawa dị n'ụzọ. Ọmụba nwata nwa ogbu nwa na-amụchi n'ugo nwa ọgwa na-aja nwa ọdụ otu n'anya na m abagotere n'ụwa akwa efu mmadụ. Na-ekwobe ọba ka maji aka. Anụ ebe ọba ahụ amaghị aka n'elu osisi. Agụba na-eke Bring forth the child. Chibuo, the son of Ezeji Obinna Okadibo, on this day, which is the new moon preceding the Care Market Day, I pronounce you the
Why all these transgressions and rebellions against the gods? Why? Couldn't you have waited for ages for the gods to speak? This child is not Ezeji's successor. Yes! Give this child back to his father. The ways of the gods are different from the ways of men. The gods have spoken.
Where is this girl? Ogechi! Please come out. The elders are waiting outside now. What is wrong with you? Please come out.
Ozukampu, the women will soon be out with the babies.
That is the will of the gods. No one questions the gods. Yes, no one must question the gods. Yes.